Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you another package I received from Temu. Another order. There's one item, two items, three items, four, five, six, seven, eight. So I got 8 items here. There was $5.99 plus 49 cents sales tax, of course, and that came out to $6.40. 3 different bags, right? Nut drivers holders for the impact drill gun. 3 sets, so they were on sale 99% off or something like that, or 90% off, and all three were for 12 cents. So in order to get this deal, I had to order 7 more items, which I did. The rest of them are. This is the quick release. This is what it is. You got a shaft here on the drill gun, either with a nut driver or the Phillips screw tip or a flat screw tip, and you just click it in and it's not coming out anymore. You hang it on your belt, your pins, and then when you pull down on this, it's releasing and then it's coming out. You got that little ball over there, so when you pull this thing, it will release the ball, the one that falls into this slot here. I got 3 of this for 12 cents. So then I had to add to the order, right? 7 items. So I tried to keep it as to keep the price as low as possible. So I ordered this roller bottle. I added this roller bottle. It's I don't know, 30 milliliters or something like that. It's got a screw cap, and then this thing just pulls out. So you fill it up with your deodorant, whatever you need, and then put a cover back on. And it's got this roller ball here, so you just roll it and works like so. Well, was 71 cents. Now the next thing on my list, those two metal things, a little spoon, you say, and it's for cleaning up the wax in the ears. And these two were 65 cents. Next item, it's another toothpick. This is the third one I think I got, so too many. So it's got a keychain holder here, and then it unscrews, and then flip it over, screw it back in, and you pick your teeth or use it for whatever you need. It's pretty sharp, and the tip also unscrews, as you can see here, so you can replace the tip too. And it stores just like so. Hang it on your keychain. 98 cents for that pick. So these two here are some clips here. So basically, many times, the string pulls out from your pants or gym pants or hoodies or something, and then you try to fit that string back in, and it's just impossible. So basically what you do, I'm gonna show you with this wire. So basically you put your string through, fold it, and then you feed this through that spacing into your hoodie where the strings came out from, and you push it and you push it until the other end, and it's got a rounded head here, and then pull it back out, and you have the hoodie in. There are two sizes, one smaller, one bigger. So the bigger one goes, okay, you pull this down and lock it, okay? But then this thing kind of gets stuck into. This is good, but this thing is gonna bother you a lot. So you see, you're losing the you're losing the string from in here, comes loose. Then that's what you do. You put this through, and then you feed it through the hole all the way to the other end, right? Or you have the option, if the thread is cut, this other one is for if the thread is cut, like so, you can do it like this. Pinch it, it's got this those teeth here. So you will grab into your string, lock it, and then it's locked, you see? And then you feed this on through. You feed this on through all the way. And yeah, the gap is pretty big, so some things are working, but yeah, it kind of in a way. So you push it, and you feed it through. Now the next item on the list got some very small and fine paint brushes, nylon paint brushes, and comes in pack of 3 for 85 cents. And so there are different sizes here. They kind of bend. I'm gonna cover this one up. These are for fine art or nails, to paint your nails or whatever you need them for. Okay, now the next item, hanging towel wrap. So you hang this on a door, on a cabinet door, and then you hang the towel here. So this was 98 cents also. And now the last item, for these are made for strollers. So like the bar that you push the stroller, your kid's stroller, you sometimes you need to hang a bag or a hat or something, a baseball hat or something. So then you just have this, you wrap it around the handle, velcro it, and then you have the hook here, and you hook your bag or whatever you need, and it's hanging right there on your stroller. These ones were 98 cents also. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and please share. Stay tuned for more details on the purchases, to see how I use them, where I use them, and for more items that I will purchase. Thanks for watching. Bye.